Naglabas na ng official statement ang Bini Philippines regarding sa issue na kinasasangkutan nila ngayon. Ito ang kanilang official statement. We know that the past couple of days have been triggering and disappointing for all of you. Sincerely, we understand where all of those feelings are coming from. The video shows a private moment of us with friends. We definitely did not intend to hurt anyone in the process. We offer no excuse for our actions, reactions, and choice of words. We take full accountability. Nagkamali kami. We deeply regret our mistake and sincerely apologize to our blooms, friends, families, and the general public. We humbly ask for a chance to reflect on and learn from our mistakes and continue to work on becoming better versions of ourselves. Maraming salamat po sa inyong malasakit, suporta, at pangunawa. Anong masasabi ninyo sa ginawang move ng Bini? Comment below.